Welcome, today I am with Motorola Edge 20 Lite and I will show you how you can remove and add widgets to your home screen. So the first I'm going to remove this widget, click, hold and then drag like that. As you can see, we can remove both widgets. Next, click on the screen and select widgets. Right now we can pick, for example, this digital clock, click and hold and then place it, for example, here. We'll need top of the widget. The application will be open, and that's the application that is linked with the widget. So in this case, there's this simply clock application. You can move that widget between screens like any other icon. And when you release, you can also resize this widget, as you can see. So basically, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.